To generate a report, click on the View Report button from any gauge summary page. This can also be done from the public map page by clicking on any gauge and then the View Report button. The report defaults to the last 365 days, but can be adjusted to any time period, but no longer than 365 days. The date in this report was adjusted to June 1st through March 1st. The chart shows the actual observations as black circles and the daily prism estimates for the gauge location as a blue line. Clicking on either line will bring up an information bubble that displays comparative values between observed and estimated amounts. Here, the cumulative amount observed in the gauge on October 2nd was 0.78 inches, which is substantially lower than the amount of 1.67 inches estimated by the interpolated value for that location from the prism precipitation dataset. The reference climatology is based on all cumulative precipitation amounts for the specified time period from the prism dataset for that gauge location. This means that cumulative precipitation amounts estimated at this gauge location for all years from 1981 to present are organized into percentiles. The most typical cumulative amounts in the historical record are near the 50th percentile, or the median, while the rarest amounts are towards the extremes, like the 2nd percentile on the low end of values and 98th percentile on the high end. These regions are color-coded and labeled to quickly assess how both observed and estimated values compare to the historical estimates at this location. Comparisons of observations from previous years or with other gauges can also be added to the report. Here, the observed and estimated values from 2 years ago are added in comparison to current observations. Each report has a gauge location map and table of logged observations, including any notes and photos entered. These are collapsed at the bottom of the report page, but can be expanded by clicking on the arrows. Reports can also be generated in a printer-friendly format and shared directly with others through a custom link.